Only 3 ingredients? And your breakfast is ready in minutes? Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's make the easiest breakfast recipes ever. Let's start with something quick, crispy, and super satisfying: egg cheese toast. Take 1 fresh egg and crack it into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and beat it well until smooth. Now heat a pan and lightly grease it with a little oil or butter. Pour the egg mixture onto the pan and spread it slightly so it cooks evenly. Immediately place a slice of bread on top and press gently so it sticks with the egg. Let it cook for a few seconds, then carefully flip it over. Now add a slice of cheese on top. Fold the bread and let it cook until the cheese melts and the outside becomes golden brown. Crispy outside, soft and cheesy inside, simple, fast, and perfect for busy mornings. Now let's make something healthy and naturally sweet: banana pancakes. Take 1 ripe banana and mash it really well until smooth. Add 1 egg and mix everything properly. Heat a pan and pour small portions of the mixture to form mini pancakes. Let them cook slowly. When you see bubbles forming on top, flip them carefully. Cook both sides until golden brown. These pancakes are soft, light, and naturally sweet. No flour needed, no extra sugar required. Next, something crispy and fun: potato cheese balls. Start by boiling 1 potato until soft. Peel it and mash it nicely in a bowl. Add some cheese and a pinch of salt. Mix everything until it forms a smooth mixture. Take small portions and roll them into balls. Heat oil in a pan and fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. Outside is crunchy, inside is soft and cheesy, perfect quick snack or breakfast. And finally, something quick and refreshing: banana milkshake. Take a ripe banana and cut it into small pieces. Add it to a blender. Pour in some milk and add a little sugar according to your taste. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. In just a few seconds, your milkshake is ready. Cool, refreshing, and full of energy. So there you have it, easy breakfast recipes using only 3 ingredients. No stress, no long cooking, just quick and delicious food. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more simple and tasty recipes.